Kiss Me Cake, right, I've been doing quite a lot of these. These are those edible icing printing sheet toppers, okay? You can get them as your individual ones, or your oblong ones, or your round ones. Well, I've got a round one because I need it for the cake. Folk have had them off me and say, oh, how'd you get them off? Well, I would say, sharp knife underneath, and sort of, at a bit of an angle, then hold it firm to the bottom, as if you're filleting the fish. Well, the catering experience is coming out with the filleting the fish. What I've got here, it's a straight edge, it's sharp with a river point knife. Okay, so what I do is, with the knife, just gently tease, so you've got a bit of a starter. At a slight angle, then slide it around. Now I've already pre-cut a circle on there. Okay, same as again, pop it underneath, keeping it fresh down. Okay, so you've got all of your edges, and then you can just sort of want to sugar. There you go. Now, I don't know if you can see, I used a pudding bowl to make that circle. You can either cut it on the sheet if it's going to be fiddly, or cut it after. Now you have to remember this is icing, so I'm going to cut it round following the marker. And to put it on your cake, don't, whatever you do, wet the, oh sugar, don't wet the icing. You see it's flexible, because it'll just disintegrate with either a spot of alcohol, just gently do it, or even cool boiled water, just a small amount, either a piece of kitchen roll or, there we go, that's that done. I forgot what I was saying, senior moment. Okay, now this is the cake I've got it to go on. I'm playing with the crimpers. I'll be doing that as the next tutorial. Okay, so this is going to sit on there, like so. Looks quite good, doesn't it? But this cake, it wants a bit of polarisation. I'll move that over the way. You may hear me harping on about it if you go on my cake page, Kiss Me Cake, you usually see. And I'll go mad and say, oh, how'd you get the polarised effect? Dr. Ockatars, silver, polarised thingy. Give it a good shake. And from a distance, when I'm saying, oh, you can't see it for the camera, why can't men park? Because you think that's 6 inches. Sorry, I had to leave that one in. Okay, just from a distance about 2 foot, I'll say, and lightly just give it a whirl over. Okay, just going to turn it this side and do this bit as well. I don't know if you can see that, you've got a light polarised effect. Right, now for the Party Light logo. I'm going to be bad. I tend to use my fingers. Got just a small amount, and I'm just going to lightly just wet it. And this is going to act as the adhesive, it's going to act as the glue, and it's going to then stick. Okay. Don't worry if you got it too wet, bit of kitchen roll. We'll just keep spreading it until it gets a bit gone. That's one of the beauty things if you use alcohol. The alcohol evaporates. Or do a little bit of kitchen roll just to take excess up. Okay. Logo on. and smooth it round. And what I'm going to do is to finish off the edges, some little pearl beads of fondant. But there you go. So that is how to shift a party light thing off. Right, while I've got the camera again, may as well do the crimpers. I've done a little cake and just done on a square. I did have a little practice before. Crimpers. You can get all sorts. These are made by PME. Okay. Don't be afraid of them. They don't bite. What I do is practice on just a bit of fondant. Doesn't have to be on a cake. Just a bit of fondant and go sorted. Right. Stop them sticking. A little bit of corn flour. We'll do this one first. If you see, you'll see it's got an elastic band on. That moves up and down to show you how far that opens and closes for doing. Dunk it in corn flour. Tap your excess off. If you can see. Get your fondant, because it's got to be soft. You can't do it with the hard stuff. Okay. Press it on. Squeeze, release, pull off. Press, squeeze, release, pull off. That's easy enough, isn't it? I'll finish doing this side. Let's have it on a corner. Also, if you wanted to, you could do it on your edges. I've seen cakes that have had them done with crisscross patterns. They look really nice. Okay, let's have a go on this one. I'll do it over this side. Okay. It's nice because you can link them up, and it's a nice, effective way to do. And if you wanted to, you could do it underneath as well. If you wanted to make a fish shape. What else have we got? Oh, bows. That's a bow one. Press it in, squeeze, and off. In, squeeze, and off. In, squeeze, and off. In, squeeze, and off. Okay, what else have we got? Oh, it's just so many to play with. I just don't know what to do next. Okay, let's have a go at hearts. We'll have a go on the side of this cake. In, squeeze, heart. In, squeeze, heart. There you go. Let's see what we've got underneath here. It reminds me of when you're smocking and dressmaking. All those sort of malarkey things you can do. So it's just pressing in and squeeze and pulling off. I say, it just takes practice. Just don't be afraid of it. At the end of the day, if all else fails, just go and eat it. It's cake. And that's it. Okay, cakers. Kiss me cake. Cake loves and hugs to crumbs. Cheerio.